vegetarian is easy and delicious. Let's make a simple braised rice with rice cooker today.
Braised rice with mushroom stems is incredibly fragrant, easy to make, and delicious. Dried mushroom stems are available in supermarkets and are very convenient to use. Ingredients: mushroom stems, corn kernels, vegan balls, rice. Rinse dried mushroom stems, then soak in warm water for 20 to 30 minutes until softened. Adding sugar to soaking water activates enzymatic reactions, tenderizing stems in 5 minutes while extracting extra guanylate umami compounds. Weighing down mushrooms with a bowl ensures full submersion for faster rehydration. Reserve the soaking water to cook rice for enhanced aroma. Rinse rice and set aside. Rinse rice just 1 to 2 times. Excessive washing removes water-soluble vitamins and minerals. A quick, gentle rinse preserves nutrients. Stop when the water turns semi-clear. Scientific basis. Japanese research shows washing rice 3 times leads to 50% loss of vitamin B1. Rice washing water contains starch and trace nutrients. Reuse it for watering plants, facial cleansing, or fermenting into natural cleaner. Cut vegan balls into small pieces. The Maillard reaction between tofu pulp and balls and rice starch creates next-level umami. Stir-fry shiitake stems until golden and pan-sear veggie balls for crust before cooking with rice. Triples aromatic compounds. Pre-cooking unlocks fat-soluble flavor molecules, giving every grain an irresistible glossy coating. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Dry toast raw rice until golden before cooking. The caramelized starch creates deeper aromas in the finished dish. The toasted rice develops micropores that optimally absorb the umami essence from mushrooms and veggie balls. Simply add the soaked shiitake water with a bit of extra water into the rice cooker, and let the magic begin. Golden ratio is 1 to 1 to rice to water, or just cover with water to your first knuckle. Oops, just pressed cook and realized I forgot the corn kernels ... LOL. That incredible aroma means our mushroom rice is perfectly cooked. A drizzle of sesame all for fragrance, and a splash of dark soy sauce for that gorgeous color, perfection. Mix together and ready to serve. Top it with a soft-boiled egg for extra protein and creamy deliciousness. Finish with a sprinkle of golden pumpkin threads for the perfect touch. Rice cooker meals are foolproof. Just grain plus liquid plus sturdy ingredients. Even beginners can master it. Meal prep ingredients on weekends chopped and frozen. Then dump and go on workdays. Lunch ready before you finish brushing teeth. Nutrition hack. Follow 1:1:2 ratio grain, protein, veggies, leftovers become instant upgrades. Last-minute additions create depth, fresh herbs, crushed nuts, or a jammy egg elevated to restaurateur. Dried shiitake infuses umami into every grain, veggie balls deliver springy bites, and corn pops with natural sweetness, a triple texture symphony. Perfect nutrition. Mushroom beta-glucans plus plant protein plus fiber make its G 30% lower than regular rice. 22%. Zero waste veggie balls, tofu and shiitake stems diversify amino acids, boosting protein efficiency by 22%. D. Corn's lutein plus shiitake's vitamin D create an eye-protecting combo, perfect for screen-weary office workers. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.